Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate chip cookies quickly. We'll dive right into a super easy method that gets warm, gooey cookies into your hands faster than ever. Forget complicated steps. This approach is all about efficiency without sacrificing flavor. You'll be amazed at how little time it takes to whip up a batch of these classic treats. Get ready to satisfy your sweet tooth with minimal effort and maximum deliciousness. Let's get baking. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. For the wet ingredients, grab 1 stick of softened, unsalted butter, half a cup each of granulated sugar and packed light brown sugar, 1 large egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget about 1 cup of chocolate chips. Having everything measured out beforehand makes the process much smoother and quicker. Now for the fun part, mixing. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Beat in the egg and vanilla extract until well combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, mixing until just combined. Stir in the chocolate chips, then scoop onto a baking sheet and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your cookies are golden brown, remove them from the oven. Let them cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. This helps them set and prevents them from breaking. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely, if you can wait that long. These quick chocolate chip cookies are perfect for a last-minute treat or a simple dessert. They're soft, chewy, and packed with chocolatey goodness. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.